I've been seeing a lot of BS course gurus try to sell you a formula on YouTube that doesn't exist or doesn't work. They use a bunch of AI slop to make their videos allegedly blow up. They never show channels, they never show their face, and they're selling you a course and you guys are buying it, which is insane. So I'm going to put you guys on some crazy game. This video right here on a channel that I created a couple years ago called Hot Hut generated me $41,845 with 8.9 million views. Now you might be thinking this is luck, you might be thinking that like you can't replicate this, but actually you can. As long as you understand a topic good enough, or even if you don't and do the research and put the work in, you can replicate stuff like this. For example, I cover celebrity news or rap news all the time, and every time something's blowing up, I make a video on it and I make the money. This video right here was when YNW Melly was first getting arrested and there was a lot of controversy behind him. I felt like no one at the time had made a video, and I'm like, okay, why don't I make a video on the topic? And it made me a ton of money over the span of a couple of years, and I didn't have to really do anything. At the time, what I did is I would hire a scriptwriter, a voiceover, and a video editor, and I would pay them each $25, and in turn I would post a video. All I would do was make the thumbnail, the title, and come up with the video idea and just kind of double check that everything's good and follows community guidelines, and I would post it and I would keep the money. It's not rocket science. I'm the one taking the bigger risk, but if you do things properly, the risk does equal reward in this scenario. Another video that I covered that made me instant money was when DaBaby, who's a rapper in case you didn't know, lost his record deal, was like in some sort of controversy at the time. I don't even remember, but the video got 1.6 million views in just 25 days and it paid me $10,000. So I technically made $10,000 in 1 month by posting one video using this exact same formula. Now this sounds insane, it sounds crazy, it sounds like something you can't do, but fortunately for you, you can do it. You can either use AI, your own voice, you can go about it however ways you want. And on this channel that I'm showing you guys, I actually went and did every single method. I used to hire people, I did everything myself, I showed my face, I used my voice, I did everything you could possibly think of, and I proved it to myself that this is something that works, and this is something that you can use across any niche, any different kind of channel, whatever it is that you want to make videos on. There's a formula for it, and as long as you do everything properly, you can make money like this. Now, a lot of course gurus are going to try to tell you that all you need is AI. You don't just need AI. AI is a tool. If you use AI correctly, you can make money like this too. For example, if you know about this, 11 Labs is the voiceover software, and on that channel, I used a lot of 11 Labs as well. I have a ton of videos who have reached millions of views with AI voice. Now, it doesn't mean that everything was AI. AI isn't perfect yet. It does do a pretty good job, but when you're covering topics and you want to make a good video, you need to understand what makes a video good. You want to hook the viewer to watch your video. You need to be knowledgeable enough in the topic to have people want to come back and watch your videos. If you're just throwing it on ChatGPT or copying other people and throwing it in ChatGPT, it's only going to limit you. You can only do so much. You got to learn how to actually make a proper video to make good money in the long run, of course. If you want to do this as a career, as a full-time job, covering something you're passionate about, something you care about, that's not just garbage celebrity news, you can do that too. You just need to do it properly. Now, I've been doing this for over 6 years. I think I started in 2019, 2018, and I started with my brother. He goes by the name of Romero. He's on YouTube. He's my younger brother, and me and him figured out the formula to make channels blow up, not just by using AI. AI wasn't always a thing. It just came out. It was brand new. We've been doing this longer than AI. So when you hear all these people trying to sell you a course emphasizing the use of AI, just know that they're kind of not really being 100% truthful with you. It's not just throw it on ChatGPT, put it on 11 Labs, and the video is going to blow up. It can if you're lucky enough, but it doesn't happen all the time. That's why a lot of people sell courses once they get a couple videos do good and they're like, oh guys, this works. But YouTube's kind of cracking down on it. Repetitive or AI slop is kind of going out the window. YouTube's cracking down on it. A lot of channels are being terminated because of it. But if you're doing YouTube the right way, the way that YouTube wants you to do it, you will be fine. You will be A-okay. Now, I'm a YouTuber before a course guru. I don't even consider myself a course guru. I'm still relatively small in the YouTube world if you compare me to somebody like Mr. Beast or any of the big dogs over there. But I created this channel, which is another commentary channel, and in this channel I show my voice, I show my face throughout the entirety of the video. There's no AI, there's no crazy programs that need to be used. It's just a camera, lighting, and me talking about something I want to talk about. And I talk about things that I'm like kind of knowledgeable in. Not just that, but I also started vlogging and making content that isn't just AI slop, and it's paying off. It's not crazy views, but 20k views in 8 days is something that a lot of people don't see for years and years of them trying to get a banger video. And the oldest video I posted on this channel was a month ago. And I don't even post every single day. I've only posted a couple times. And this is because I understand how a video needs to be formatted. Now, there's a ton of different ways of going about this YouTube automation world. You can do AI stories, which are blowing up right now. You can do commentary videos. You can do vlogs. You can replicate whatever's on YouTube if you do it properly. And a lot of people struggle with knowing where to start. Fortunately for you guys, I put all my knowledge into this course. I put a lot of time and effort into it, and I'm still not even close to finish with it. But I show you guys how to actually set up a camera, what kind of camera you need, what kind of lighting you need, what kind of microphones you need, what equipment do you need in order for you to start being an actual real YouTuber. I'm not just selling you an AI automated course. I'm selling you how to be a YouTuber course, which is what a lot of people don't do. And you might be asking, well, are you a real YouTuber? Have you ever had a YouTube video blow up just using your voice and your face? And yes, I did. This video right here was the first one I used my own voice to record anything. And it got me 415,000 views and it paid me $3,371. It works. Using your own voice works. Formatting videos a certain way works. And I put it all in a course for you guys. I actually show my face, I show you guys channels, and I show you exactly what I do. And me just showing you the channel is already something that a lot of people don't do. I'm not showing you every channel because they're faceless for a reason. I just don't want a lot of people spamming them. But for this one right here, I feel like it's more relatable to American culture. A lot of people who sell courses also aren't even American. So if you want to become a YouTuber, if you want to jump into the YouTube automation game, if you want to learn how to make videos blow up and make thousands of dollars, click on the link on my description or my bio. I promise you, you will not regret it. Now, HotHot has made me $295,000 over the span of its creation. And the craziest part about this is I really haven't put that much work into it. I never really did. The whole concept behind this channel was just only posting a couple times and really not stressing over posting every single day. Just focusing on making one good video that would actually bring me a lot of money instead of making 200 videos that would only make me the same amount of money one video would make me. That was always kind of the concept behind this channel. It's gone through a lot of changes. At one point, I even made it my personal channel just to see how that would work, and it worked perfectly fine. But one of the challenges I gave myself as I'm starting this course was I let the channel die for 6 months. So I haven't really posted that much on the channel, and it's kind of out of the algorithm. So one way for you guys to learn how to do YouTube is kind of learning from my footsteps, learning from what I do, what me and my team are doing to make this channel blow up. And if it's not blowing up within the next couple of months, then you're like, okay, this guy sucks. So that's kind of my challenge. The last time I posted was months ago, and now I'm going to restart blowing up. If you feel like you're not going anywhere, maybe stop trying to imitate what everybody else is doing with AI. Think outside the box and actually go back to what YouTube wants you to do, and that's to become a YouTuber.